It is not the mountain that we conquer, but ourselves. Life keeps asking for more speed, more security, more control. We've all been there. Dropped phone, stolen gear, the chaos of a disorganized day. What if your jacket could be smarter? 26 pockets, 58 integrated features, designed to protect, adapt, and carry smarter. ISOLA26, easy for you, impossible for others. Okay, after 8 years, 8 projects across 150 countries, Mao is back. Meet ISOLA26, the jacket evolution your lifestyle demands, shaped by years of global backer feedback. Protection isn't just armor, it's confidence. The 3D Smart Touch View Pocket allows you to read, navigate, and respond. Total control, even in heavy rain or urban chaos. From daily commute to wild terrain, never lose your way again. Move without limits. Grab your calls instantly. Visible when you need it, hidden when you don't. Be an urban ninja like a gunslinger in a classic western. Safe storage, rapid access, always ready. Shield your gear from whatever life throws your way. Relax your shoulders. Your gear is safe. Urban crossings are dangerous. Your hood shouldn't be. Zero blind spot vision. Fully detachable hood. Wind guard high neck protection. And quick reach neck pocket. Essential gear always in reach. Chaos doesn't come from speed. It comes from a bad storage system. Dual access is designed to be found by touch, including the laptop quick access. Now upgraded with the ultimate flex bind organizer and the double-sided quick access pocket for your passport or valuables. Your natural flow never stops. Total speed, zero bulk, built-in hydration pocket, rapid Velcro release, power bank storage, and extendable key clip. Life demands flexibility. ISOLA26 delivers. Weather changes, plans change. Your jacket should change too. When you don't want a backpack but you need one, switch your jacket to carry mode and organize your gear with dual separate compartments. Secure your valuables with quick access zip, deploy the bag, wear the tech. ISOLA folds into a high-performance sling. Even a 16-inch laptop stays secure. Need a shorter, high-mobility fit? Fold the hem and secure the snaps. Whether you're biking, hiking, or commuting, the adaptive hem system ensures total comfort. High-flow air vents are finally here. Open for flow, sealed for protection. Introducing Thermal Cloud Add-on. More than an insulated layer, it's your standalone companion. Warmth when you need it, a travel pillow when you don't. Engineered with recycled polydown for warmth without bulk. Featuring easy cargo access and side YKK zippers for total versatility. Sometimes freedom means silence. Silent Pocket, a fully radiation shielded pocket that blocks signals, tracking, notifications. Your phone stays safe, your mind stays present. Built for the planet you explore. 4-way stretch nylon, lighter, softer, ultra durable, scratch resistant, and machine washable. 20,000mm waterproof protection, crafted from recycled materials, cleaning our lands and oceans, harmful chemical free, good for you, better for the planet. This comes in 2 signature colors, urban black and forest green. ISOLA26 is more than just a jacket. It's a smarter way to move through the world. Now we need your help to bring the next generation of waterproof gear to life. Back us today and wear the future.